Welcome to Open House for 2022 through 2023 school year. My name is Autumn Honoré and I'm your host for this special Open House edition of Spartan TV. Spartan TV is our daily morning announcement. If you didn't already know, you can access our daily episodes on Starford Video Production YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe so you can also stay up to date with what's going on campus. Each week we celebrate character counts quotes with a quote. This week's character counts quote is, "This country will not be a good place for any of us to live in unless we make it a good place for all of us to live in," by Theodore Roosevelt. Before we go any further, let's take a moment and honor our flag with the Pledge of Allegiance.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome back. I'm an 8th grader here at Stauffer. I'm starting to get sad thinking about my time here at Stauffer coming to an end. As I get ready to promote to high school, Stauffer has so many things to offer. Like I'm in robotics with Mr. T, I'm in drama with Miss Pyle, and I played Lucy in Charlie Brown. And I did web to help out the 6th graders, and we did a Valentine's Day dance. We are so excited to have your students, teachers, share some amazing things going on in the classroom. Tonight is an open house, meaning you can visit your students' classroom in whatever order you like. No pressure, just have fun. Speaking of fun, let's cut to a message from our amazing principal and vice principal, Mr. Browning and Miss Hausler. Take it away.
Good evening, Spartan families. I'm Daryl Browning, the proud principal here at Stauffer Middle School.
And I'm Kelsey Hassler, the VP.
We want to welcome all of you to our open house. We're so excited that you get to be here tonight, and we're excited to share our campus with you. A few little notes. Your students should have gotten a copy of their schedule already to give to you, but in case you don't have one, please don't hesitate to go to the office. We can provide you with one of those schedules. There's no set schedule tonight. You're just kind of popping around the classrooms from 6 to 7:30. We have food out there for you, so please make yourself at home. But a couple things I'd really like you to check out if you get a chance to. Our brand new gym, which we're going to start having games in there next week. Some classes have been there in a little bit, but they're still working on the bleachers and a few things, so it's not fully open, but you can go in there and check it out. So please check out our new gym. You'll see our new 2-story building going up in the back of campus. That's 15 classrooms. It'll be ready to go probably October-ish next year. So all those bungalows in what we call Spartan Village will be gone eventually, and we won't have any bungalows on campus, so we're really excited about that. And if you haven't been here in a little while, you'll also notice that our quad has been redone. I'm really excited about that. We have new tables, we have a new overhang and some turf areas. So a lot of exciting things happening here at Stauffer.
So tonight, parents, we would love for you to stop by our Wellness Center, meet Miss Vaccarano in there and Miss Amy, who welcome our students at any time into the Wellness Center. It's a great calming space for our students to go who may just need to take a break or receive mental health services, and we'd love, parents, if you could stop by and check it out. Also, our awesome library in the very front of school. Please stop by and check out the library. We're also asking all parents to take the LCAP survey, which is really important. The LCAP survey determines how money is spent, not just at our site, but throughout the district, and it's really important, parents, for you to take that really quick survey. We'll have a bunch of QR codes and places for you to do that if you stop by the library.
And I'd encourage all of you, we have so many cool programs here at Stauffer. Even if your student isn't in one right now, maybe they're interested in doing it in the future, stop by some of those rooms. Check out our film and television, or our band, or our culinary arts, our engineering or robotics. Just check them out. It may be something your student wants to do in the future. And then finally, I just want to thank all of you. It takes a partnership. We have the best families, and we're really honored that you choose to bring your student the thing that's most precious to you in this whole world and trust us with them every day. Our teachers and our staff work really hard to make sure that they're going to be successful in everything they try in life. So we're just happy to have you here. If you see either of us tonight, please come up and say hello, and I hope you have a great evening.
Bye, Sparties.
That's all my time for today. Again, my name is Autumn Honore, and this is week character quote is, "This country will not be a good place for any of us to live in unless we make it a good place for all of us to live in," by Theodore Roosevelt. Before we send you off to start your evening at open house, there's a special way we end Spartan TV. Spartans, if you're here tonight, say it with me. Don't forget to really succeed. Good night.